All right, hang on. All right, go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
You missed it.
How the hell did I miss?
I don't know. You missed it though. No, it's shot.
Blow it up.
All right, hold on.
Hey,
Hold on.
Kevin, you know, it doesn't hurt that bad.
All right.
Go ahead.
Whenever you're ready.
You're closer.
Wait. It won't. How do you?
Press the middle button.
Did you
Pull the trigger.
Squeeze
the trigger. Carlos will get it.
did you pull the hammer back?
You're going to put a hole in Junior's trailer. Nice. Good. I'm telling you what, good.
Oh, darling!
It's red.
Is it already red?
Oh,
Look. Oh yeah, look at that. That's awesome. All right, that's all right.
Cannon.
What do you think, Mary?
Not sure.
There it goes. All right, you want to keep that? Take that home. All right, buddy. Hey, how'd that feel? All right.